Benambra.
Thanks, Speaker. My constituent question is for the new Minister for Public Transport, and the information is seek what is the limit for unseated standing passengers on the VLine 6-car train on the Albury-Wodonga line? None of those trains, not one of them, should people be standing on these trains. Now, they travel at about up to 130 kilometres an hour on some of the worst track in Victoria. The journey is close to 4 hours. It's not a suburban rattler, say, from Essendon to Flinders Street, and yet the ability for passengers to buy unreserved tickets on the booking-only weekend trains, the train is always booked out. So this is a standing or sitting on the floor of a carriage ticket.